you now. Oh, you're so sexy. Damn it. Look at that. There's a lot of room at the bottom. No more ratness down there. I'm not too fond of the gold color on the power supply, but it's gonna do. Oh, look at those nice lights there. I can't wait to see what it looks like with the side panel on. Okay, let's put the panel. Oh, here it is. Oh, look at that. It's so sexy, and you don't see the gold from the power supply because it's hidden by the fan. Oh, look at that fan. It's got the red lights. It's so damn sexy. Oh, damn it. It's orgasmic. Oh, look at that. So sexy.
That fan is I'm gonna have to replace because I'll turn up the RPMs here in the front and you'll hear it freaking start to scream. That fan was at the top here. I had to remove it because of the, can you hear? Oh my god, shut up, shut up! So I'm going to turn it down with the fan controller here. I really like this little thing here. It's a nice little gadget. So, turn it down. Oh, see there's an alarm when it reaches 0 RPM.
She's gonna blow.
So here it is. Looks pretty nice. I'm happy. This is the old unit I had in. It's old series there by PC and Cooling, the silencer. It was a good unit. I mean, it's a 750 watt. It kept my 290 going, but it's getting old. So, and look at all those freaking wires. It's like, you don't have no choice, man. This was all hiding in the back and all bunched up at the bottom. So, big freaking difference.